The MORE Expo was held at the Ozark Empire Fairgrounds in Springfield, Missouri. MORE stands for Midwest Overlanding and Off-Road Expo. It's 80,000 square feet of indoor expo space. The vendors range from overland camping, adventure motorcycles, off-road vehicle parts, power sports equipment, kayaking, hiking, survival gear, and classes ranging from outdoor navigation to first aid. We got to hang out with some of our longtime friends like Expo Trailers and Todd from TC Teardrops, and even the people from CORE, our favorite outdoor overland event of the year. Since we recently got a Gladiator this year, we are really excited to see what parts are going to be there. Two new bed rack systems stuck out to us. McKee Off-Road Designs with a bed rack for the Gladiator that's so strong, on the flip-up tailgate it even has a full-size tire carrier. And when it comes to modular bed racks, Extrusion Overland has come up with some pretty amazing solutions. But the booth that stuck out most to us was American Adventure Lab. The rigs they brought were straight out of SEMA. They had some of the coolest new parts for the Jeep platforms I've ever seen. Oh, and did we mention Zarges was there? We didn't have to. It seems like every other booth had a case. As for us, we were privileged to be able to put our Gladiator and X-Venture trailer in the Red Arc booth. We were even able to get Rochelle and Clay Croft to sign their old X-Venture trailer. Whether we get the chance to be in a booth next year or not, we will still be attending. This was an awesome event.